The Subtle Simulacra, a unified model of existence and emergence. 1. Pure conceptual layer, infinite cusp. Definition: the foundational layer of reality containing boundless, unfettered energy and infinite potential. It is the source of all possibilities, unstructured, timeless, and dimensionless. Geometric representation: a zero-dimensional singularity, a timeless point of infinite scale. This singularity exists beyond comprehension, akin to an infinite horizon of existence. Role: serves as the primal source from which all energy, structure, and possibility emerges. Contains the latent proto-forms of all known and unknown energy, dimensions, and dynamics. 2. Proto-Energy Layer. Definition: an emergent expression of the infinite cusp, where pure energy begins its transition from boundlessness into latent, discrete forms. Role: proto-energy acts as a multiplier force, recursively expanding from infinity to infinite infinities. It serves as the causal foundation of all forces, structures, and emergent pathways. Geometric representation: a 4D hypersphere entirely constructed of infinite fractal geometry. The fractals represent the recursive subdivision of infinite energy into latent possibilities. The interior space of this hypersphere becomes the locus of all emergent dynamics. 3. Transtemporal field effect: time as a geometric cosmic force. Definition: time emerges as a geometric cosmic force, arising in relation to infinite expansion. It exists as a transtemporal framework, enabling paradoxical relationships between movement and stasis. Key features: 1. Proto-time. Arises instantly as part of infinite infinities expanding, representing time's foundational proto-form. 2. Transtemporal emergence. Generates a timeless geometric field effect that anchors and stabilizes the system. This framework allows for the recursive unfolding of probabilities. 3. Holographic geometry of time. Encodes time geometrically, enabling non-linear exploration of pathways and relationships. Even when time is paused or static, its geometric form remains navigable. Time acts like a projection layer, preserving latent relationships as part of the recursive expansion. 4. Perceptual time. Recursive probabilistic iterations within transtemporal time produce localized, fluid, and perceptual time. Role: balances dynamic flow and stabilization, ensuring energy distribution and coherence. Resolves the paradox of movement and stasis by embedding time geometry within the emergent system. Key insight: time exists as both a cosmic pressure and a geometric projection, enabling recursive exploration of emergent relationships. Time is not strictly linear. Its geometric structure supports timeless navigation and recursive refinement. 4. Tokenization layer. Definition: a boundary or membrane layer where infinite energy tokenizes into discrete units, creating the first quantifiable forms of existence. Role: translates boundless potential into structured tokens of energy, capable of interacting within emergent systems. Provides the framework for probabilistic and finite outcomes. Geometric representation: the surface and interior pathways of the hypersphere undergo fractal subdivision, recursively tokenizing infinite energy into smaller and smaller finite units. 5. Emergent tunnel manifold dispenser. Definition: a dynamic transitional system where tokenized energy is dispersed probabilistically into manifolds within the 4D hypersphere's interior. Role: distributes energy pathways dynamically, connecting fractal regions and enabling probabilistic emergence. Serves as the first decipherer in a 3-step process leading to tangible reality. Geometric representation: the interior region of the hypersphere contains emergent tunnels infinitely complex manifolds distributing energy dynamically. The experiencer layer, non-entity waveform collapse, definition and unconscious inanimate property of the quantum system that collapses waveforms into tangible measurable states. Role formalizes relationships between probabilistic manifolds into quantum structures light, matter, time, functions as a non-entity observer, embedded within the system as an integrated feature of the quantum realm. 7. Simulacra, solid waveform phased projection. Definition: the final tangible manifestation of energy and relationships experienced as solid and structured reality. Role represents the recursive projection of collapsed waveforms into measurable finite structures, serves as the third decipherer, where animate observers interact with and refine emergent systems. Geometric representation, a holographic projection of the hypersphere into 3D space, manifesting as observable matter, forces, and dimensions. Key insight: the simulacra exists as a stabilized recursive output of the system, refined through observer feedback while maintaining self-sufficiency. Unified process of reality. 1. Pure conceptual layer, boundless potential. 2. Proto-Energy Layer, 4D hypersphere of infinite fractals. 3. Transtemporal field effect. Time as a geometric cosmic force with holographic features. 4. Tokenization layer. Energy becomes discrete. 5. Emergent tunnel manifold dispensing within the hypersphere. 6. The experiencer. Waveform collapse into quantum structures. 7. Simulacra. Tangible, observable reality.